Okay, this is our team. My name is Sita Aisha. My number matric is 10.8024F200C, and this is my friend Srivani Swati, number matric 10.8024F2041. The library management system is a Java concept application development using object-oriented programming principles. It is designed to help manage a small library efficiently by keeping track of books, members, and borrowing transactions. The system allows users to add, search, borrow, and return books while ensuring errors are handled properly. This project demonstrates key OOP concepts such as class, object inheritance, polymorphism, methods, array list, package, and exception handling. For project overview, this project is console-based Java application designed to manage a small library system. The system helps librarians manage books, members, and borrowing transactions efficiently using object-oriented programming concept. The system is developed using Java and follows object-oriented programming principles. The application runs through a console interface and handles user input and output. Problem statement for this project is small library often manage record manually. Problem faced is books record can be lost and recognized, difficult to track borrow books, and then no validation for member ID. And the last one is time-consuming manual process. A computerized system is need to improve efficiency and accuracy. Project objective is develop a Java application using OOP concept, manage book members and borrowing transaction. Implement inheritance and polymorphism, use release for data storage, handle runtime errors using exception handling, and improve efficiency of library data management. This is a key OOP concept that we applied. The first one is OOP concept and Java syntax. The explanation is proper use of Java syntax, naming convention, and code documentation. The next one is class and objective. The class is book, members, librarian, transaction, and object that create with construction and method. The third one is control structure and arrays. Loops and conditional statement, arrays used to store books and members. The fourth one is inheritance and polymorphism. Superclass person, subclass, members, and librarian. Method overriding to demonstrate polymorphism. The next one is string manipulation. Searching books by title or author. Input validation and formatting using string method. The last one is package and exception handling. Organizing code and handling runtime error using try-catch blocks, handling Java built-in package for untitles, try-catch block handle invalid member ID or missing books. This is the clear one for OOP concept that we applied for class and object. Book, person, member, librarian, and transaction. For inheritance, person, for member and librarian. Polymorphism, display role method. Array list is store book and member data. For the exception handling, invalid ID or book not found. So this is one all major OOP concept required in the assignment as successfully implementation. This is system features that we are use. Add new book for register new members, borrow books, return books, search books by title or author, and display books and member records. Program flow, console interface. The first one is program start, and then display menu, user select option, and then system process request, and the last display result and repeat until the user exists. This flow ensures continuous system operation. This is program flow and console interface for flowchart. For the flowchart is person is superclass, member and librarian inherited person, transaction manage borrowing. This is sample for person class, or we call it superclass. And then this is the coding. For the explanation, this is the parent class. To protect allows subclass to access the variables, and constructor initialize name and ID. Display role will be overridden later. The second one, sample for member class, or we call inheritance. This is the coding. The explanation is extend person to show inheritance. The super class parents constructor, or override show polymorphism.
Next, this slide is librarian class. It is also a subclass of person like member. It uses inheritance and method overriding. The display role method is changed to display librarian. So even though both classes come from the same parents, they behave differently. Next is the book class. The class stores book details such as title and author. We also use a Boolean variable called available to track whether the book is borrowed or not. The display book method is used to print the book information. After that, for data storage, we use ArrayList. It allows us to store book object dynamically. We can easily add or remove book when needed. This makes the system more flexible compared to fixed size array. Next, this slide shows the main menu structure. We use a while true loop to keep the program running continuous. The menu will repeat until the user chooses to exit. This allows continued interaction with the system. Here we use a switch case statement. It is used to handle user choose from the menu. Each case represents a different function like viewing book, borrowing or searching. This helps control the flow of the program. After that, this is the borrow book function. The system checks if the book title match and if it is available. If the book is available, the status will be updated to borrow. This ensures that the same book cannot be borrowed twice. In this system, we use ArrayList to store data dynamically. We also use loops and coordinator statement to control the program flow. Switch case is used for handling user input. All this helps the system run efficiently. In this system, we use ArrayList to store data dynamically. We also use loops and coordinator statement to control the program flow. Switch case is used for handling user input. All this helps the system run efficiently. Finally, exception handling helps manage error in the system. His handle case like invalid input, book not found, or wrong data type. This prevents the program from crashing and ensures a smooth user experience. Overall, this slide shows how we apply object-oriented programming concept to build a structured, efficient, and user-friendly library management system. Thank you. Professional and ethical values. Our team maintained professionalism and ethics throughout the project. Each member had clear rules ensuring smooth collaboration. All code was properly documented and easy to understand. We act with honesty and integrity, reporting our own work and presenting the program truly full. During the presentation, we spoke clear, respect the evaluator, dresses appropriate, and handle all member and book data ethical. Summary and outcome. The library management system is full functional, allowing user to add, borrow, return and search book and add members. OOP concept implement include classes, object, inherency, polymorphism, control structure, array list, string handling, exception handling, and use of Java package. The project demonstrates teamwork, ethical practice, and redundancy. For a live demo, presenting a clear and organized program follow.